So world, it's your favorite chef back once again. It's that boy Big Hurt. You already know. And we back in the kitchen today. And we got some ingredients right here. We got some rotel, diced tomatoes and green chilies. We got some black beans. We have a can of corn. We have some sliced jalapenos. We have some sour cream. We have some Mexican style 4 cheese blend. We have a yellow onion. We got some corn tortillas. And we got some taco seasoning. So what are we cooking today? Today we're gonna be cooking a Mexican tortilla casserole. So let's dive right into it. I got my ground meat over there thawing out. And we're gonna use like 2 pounds of that ground beef. And let's get it going. I'm gonna show you how it goes. Yeah. All right, got my ground meat in the pot. Got it going. Now drop them onions in there. Now get them onions stirred around real good into your meat. All right, guys, we're back. We got our ground meat cooked, and we got it all strained up. Now we're finna fix this thing up. Since we use like 2.5 pounds of ground meat, we're gonna use 2 packets of taco seasoning. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. If I hadn't said it already, even if I have, y'all take that time to do that now. So I'm gonna get our meat all good and seasoned with our taco seasoning. We're gonna get it mixed in there good. Take our rotel, dump that in, our black beans, dump that in. So it's kind of like a Tex-Mex dish. And our corn, dump that in. Now get it all mixed up. Get it all mixed up. And then we're gonna get ready to build this thing for y'all. And go ahead and preheat your oven on 350. And I'll be back in a few minutes, y'all, at another angle to show y'all how to put this thing together. Yeah. All right, y'all, we finna get this thing layered up. And I took some corn tortillas and I just sliced it in half. And we're finna layer, put the first layer down in the bottom of the pan. I hope y'all can see it good. It's just layer, do all the sides first. You know, you put the flat ends against the sides. You know, I think y'all can figure this out. Pretty much common sense. And just cover the whole bottom. Just like so. Gotta cut some more. It's all good. Going like that. Then we're gonna come with a layer of ground meat. With the ground meat mixed with the beans and corn and, you know. tastes good. You know you gotta taste it, make sure you got enough seasoning. And it does taste good. So you can spread out all over your tortillas like so. There we go. Layer like that. Just spread it out nice. Another spoon. Sour cream, if I can get it open. Put the whole cup of sour cream in. The whole cup. The whole cup. Spread it around. Spread it around like this. Try your best to spread it around. Spread it as far as I can. That's pretty good. Then we gonna come with some chase. And we got the Mexican style 4 cheese rings. And it goes on top of the sour cream like so. Man, it's gonna be so good. I know I love Mexican food. I must be a black skin. Put that right there for right now. And then another layer of tortillas. Tortillas. Yeah. Tortilla. Have to cut some more. I cut me some little tortillas, y'all. So after you get this layer of tortillas, then you put another layer of the meat mixture, and you put another layer of cheese. Then you stick it in the oven for about 25 minutes. And when we come get finished and it's done, I'm gonna show y'all. So we'll be back. All right, now. Y'all forgot to put my jalapenos on there. I'm going to go ahead and do a third layer of tortillas too. So sprinkle my few jalapenos. Y'all know I can't put too many because of Jordan. He can't handle the heat. But these ain't even that hot. These pickled jalapenos don't have that good flavor in there. You heard what I said? I said you can't handle the heat. That's why you're not in the kitchen. Yes, sir. Yeah, found a Taco Bell salsa. Let me cabinet, so that's why I'm doing me a third layer. Put the tortillas down. And I'm gonna pour the sauce on top and then add the cheese. Tortilla. And then I'm gonna cover this with the salsa and the cheese, and we're going in the oven, y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. Yeah. And here it is. This is how I looked after I finished preparing it. I made sure all those top tortillas was covered with salsa, and then I covered the whole thing with cheese. Now we're going into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for like 25 minutes. I'll show y'all the finished product. Yeah. It's the finished product. I let it cool down, and I actually let it cook for 30 minutes. Now I let it cool down. I'm finna cut me a piece and let y'all see. There you have it, guys. Mexican tortilla casserole. Y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, browse my channel, and all that good stuff. And be heard on the checkout. Yeah.